What do the majority of us humans have in common? We all smell like lead players. No. We hate people saving our planet. Hell nah. We are all worthless. Okay, bruh, stop. What we all have in common is we all want to relax. We all want to snore and annoy the guy in the other room. Stop it already. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the most weird relaxing sounds to me. Starting with the rain. Why does the rain have to be so annoying and amazing at the same time? For one, I'd be walking home from school and then suddenly a damn tsunami drops on my ass, making me wet in the way I don't appreciate. Why environment? We ain't in the Modern Warfare 2 lobbies anymore. Don't drop AC-130s full of H2O on me. But on the other hand, when it's raining while I'm sleeping, or I'm listening to 10-hour rain videos, I'm gone. What Harry Potter type magic was put in the rain to make it sound so calming? Must have been the work of Voldemort with his bold ass head. Next, microwaves. To be honest, I got no damn clue. The sound of a microwave is just really comforting. Whenever I warm up lasagna in that hot roundabout, it low-key feels as if I'm floating on the moon. I'm not high. Next, one really common one, electric fans. This thing, during the summer, sounds too calming for its own damn good. It just sends the breeze right to you, making you feel amazing, while also getting rid of the white noise. I swear, little things like this make me love living, man. And finally, as a bonus, ASMR. Now, I find most ASMR videos to be so uncomfortable, especially those where it sounds like someone's giving a BJ, and that's the stuff you're supposed to feel tingles from. But to me, I find more unusual sides of ASMR to be more calming and genuinely entertaining. But I'd rather be sleeping to this. So yeah, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for all the support on the last video. I did not expect it to get 1,000 views in the slightest, so of course, you all are great. Leave a like, subscribe, and go deal with your business.